The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again, big up and respect each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, yeah. Alright, big up. Alright, so my people, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. Now, first things first, I am going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that are going to show an altercation between two persons. One of those persons claimed that he is a security manager and the other person is a motorist who intended to use the service of a business establishment that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when these pieces of videos have been recorded. And the altercation started because of a motor vehicle that was parked in the driveway of the parking lot to the business establishment that the motorist intended to use. The altercation escalated to a point where both persons got aggressive towards each other. And in at least one of these pieces of videos, I can hear persons yelling and shouting. Some words had been used in at least one of these pieces of videos that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find inappropriate. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at these pieces of videos and tell me who you think was wrong, alright? Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the videos. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
So see a paying customer there go through the drive-through over Peter out. One go get a part and this money over here so go tell me say.
Security manager, sister.
Security manager. Where your name, sir? Where your name, sir?
One way.
Where your name, sir, Mr. Security manager? Security manager go ready to tell me what your name, eh? Paying customer come and use the place and one pass and the man black the way with the bus with a red plate and go tell me say
One way. One way. Okay.
So all the bus parts up. All the bus parts up, Mr. Security Manager. Eh? May I record you know? Come on the world to see the arms house where you are going with you know. The man have a red plate bus park, block off the driveway. And go tell me say I work and drive the bus.
Okay.
Eh?
That a go on?
Show the level of arms house where you go on. Oh, show the moment the world see the level of arms house where you are going. This is over KFC. See that?
KFC with them.
See that?
Meanwhile, you bug head.
The man park and block off the driveway.
A bug head.
A customer you talk to you, brother.
I couldn't care less.
A customer you talk to you and go inside now. Where you see me hour? Where you see me hour? Mr. Bughead. You know say a customer want to use the building you talk to, brother?
This is a one-way party. This is a one-way.
The man left the bus.
This is a one-way.
I'm going to tell me that you must go back out of the property to come back round for the highway to come in.
Wow.
Work and drive the bus, you know. Block off the driveway in a KFC, you know. Like a film yard, you know, or a film driveway, you know. Brother, I want to get a parking space for the workers, them, brother. You tell me say one way for go suck, but still let the bus park suck. Red plate, block off the parkway, the driveway where customer want to use the parking lot to go use the place to spend money. Eh?
So saying this.
See him there? See him at the security manager. See him there? See him show me all the middle finger there. Alright, this is the behavior of the security manager over KFC.
I'm saying this.
Boulevard. Block off the parkway. Come on, use the building to buy something to spend money in the place. And the man block off the place with a bus. Don't tell me say I work or drive the bus. One red plate bus. Block off the way. See him there? The security manager I'm saying is enough. So he's a bughead. So he's a bughead. Use several explicit towards me as a paying customer when I use the parking lot. You understand? This is a lie you tell. Lie you tell. You never hear. You never hear. You never did it. You never did it. You never did it. You was not there. You cannot pick up with somebody when you never hear what the man said. The man use several explicit and several describing language to describe me. As a customer who want to use the building.
You is a heathen. Man, you take care of me.
Hey boy. Why are security manager and come hold up and boy you want to box me on face? I come box me on face, boy.
Please stop in your me.
You can box me. Come box me on face. Box me on my face. Box me on my face, man. Box me on my face. Box me on my face, man. Box me on my face, brother.
Resin, take a video off on me.
Box me on my face, brother. You look like you're drunk. You're drinking us home this morning, man. You can box me on my face, boy.
You saw me talk about my people? The situation became aggressive. Now, my people, let me tell you something, you see? And you know some me dancehall skilla. Well, for who know dancehall skilla, might know by now, so me deal with nothing more than respect. And when me talk certain things, I talk certain things to correct people, not to disrespect them, see? But I think that the person who claimed to be a security manager handled the situation unprofessionally. That's my opinion and point of view when it comes down to that situation. See? Yeah, I think so. You see, I think that the situation could have been handled in a way where if the motor vehicle parked at the driveway to the parking lot, then whosoever is responsible for the motor vehicle or the person who claimed to be the security manager could have came to the motorist and explained what was going on. So may I say, my people, now I understand that sometimes being on a job, it can be stressing. Yes, me know that. Yes, I say, but we have to try our best to see if we can be as professional as possible. You see me? So me now go stay here so and say, oh, that brother they wrong and that boy they wrong. No, me I go try to correct the person, not disrespect the person. You see? Now, the motorist, even though the motorist was somewhat in the right, one thing I blame the motorist for is that he should have not came out of that motor vehicle, because sometimes when you put yourself in a confrontation, you might find yourself in a fight and you might find yourself hurting someone or you being hurt, and the situation can escalate to a point where someone go to prison or someone even lose his or her life. At that me I talk about, and at that would I like to see each and every one try to prevent, I should say, prevent. You see me I say, no my people, listen to me now. I am not perfect. I mean not gonna go on like say I'm perfect than anyone else, you know. But that don't mean that I am not going to try and give the best of advice to each and every one, you know. You see me I say, my people, so I just presented those pieces of videos to you. I would like you to tell me what to think about those pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of L.A. Lewis. Now, in the video, L.A. Lewis said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about the Commissioner of Police within the country of Jamaica who goes by the name of Anthony Anderson. And some of the things that L.A. Lewis said in this video, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find to be humorous, hilarious, and are funny. You see me? Now, my people, I want to tell me what to think about some of the things that L.A. Lewis has said in this video. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
I have to work with police right off the parole and now also $100,000 a month, then them scoop a thing out of your pay, say for up to dribble up to 18,000. And then when you have to pay car loan, mortgage, this family, and woman have a loan lucky in the police group, and woman can at least come take a thing back out of our money. Family, and the police one now also near send them back prison for work business, and swear the guy will become Maroon Prime Minister. Have you heard it and just look up it up? So now, when the commissioner of police cheat people off, first thing, we have to rate him. He means that a police, he means a soldier, JDS, and then kick him out of the army. Then Andrew take back his girlfriend and put him as commissioner. The man now forge a police man at all. When they go up there, they tell me, say, I forgot downtown mall, if more police get raised up here, one more thing. They said, no, I am commissioner. You are the man who put in the force to make sure the police get the real bull. As a matter of fact, the bulletproof vest, let me talk about that. Remember, you know, when Forbes in the force, they tell me Forbes, No people don't know say we got change the police already, but they tell a fact that shows in their play. And they say, I mean, the DJ is that England, now they come up a cut time. So them the Copeland Fabs now, I mean the corner, Isaiah leg, and see a bench away, say, them bench now, no stripe or nothing, they say bench at them and turn, bench to leave them and turn, wicked, and pull back down them and turn, pull back crime. And that crime come low. What they do? They move back bench again and crime gone up.
My people, the first thing I wonder, where was he at when he was saying all these things? That I wonder. Me don't really want to jump to no conclusion in the video. I'm going to say where I think he was at in the comment section of this video. Yes, I'm going to say that. You see me, I say, but I wonder when they say them things there. And the thing about him, people, what do you mean by hustle? Police, and hustle and them thing there. What am I talking about? See, because if me think what him say as to what me think, right now, I tell the people social media not going to mad me. You hear me? I tell you? Social media not going to mad me because on a real, when him say police and hustle and them thing there, see me? When me I think about, I think it is illegal. So I don't know if I directly when me I think him I say, yes, me I say people, but L.A. Lewis, one thing me know, L.A. Lewis, a star. Yeah man, him a star man. He's a star. Him directly know how to keep social media active. That's L.A. Lewis. Yes, me I say people. Alright, so let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. Yes, so I'm going to leave it to people. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, I know. I'm going to big up on yourself, you see? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.